own.
Namaste coders, welcome to our channel Async Coding. So today we are discussing on string, one of the non-primitive data type. So here we'll be seeing what operations we can perform and how to store the string data and many more other operations that we can perform on string variable. So let's see. What is string generally? So string is nothing but sequence of characters. So we have learnt in primitive data type characters, it stores only a single letter or single digits or a single emoji or any special character inside a single quote, right? So here in string it is nothing but sequence of characters. That means we can put multiple letters inside double quote. So as it is declared here, you can think of it as a collection of letters, numbers, symbols put together. As I already said, it is sequence of characters. So for example, I can write async inside double quote, so it will become a string. So why it is called string as non-primitive type? Because in a character, integer or float, that is, it is just, it doesn't have a class assigned to that particular data type. But here in string, it has a class created for it, and it has methods defined inside string class, so that we can use for checking the length of the string and many other operations. So that I will show you when we are performing the operation on ID. So how to store a string? So as we already discussed, characters is stored inside single quote, whereas strings are stored inside double quote. I will show you an example for you here, as you can see on here. So string 1, it always takes a string as a variable or data type name, I mean data type string. It should be in capital letter S followed by these characters string. So then we are giving a variable name here S1 and writing as, and whatever characters that you want to store, you are storing it inside a double quote. So this is an example. So both we are putting it inside here. So both S1 and S2 actually point to the same object in the string pool. So you can see here now I have defined another variable S3. It is also having a data type as string and having value as hello. But are all these values same? If I compare all these things together, does it return the value as same? I mean, is it true that this S1 and S2 and S3 contains same value? In general, yes, we can say it contains same value, but these two are stored in some separate memory location and this is stored in some other memory location. So in general, the reference to the this values in the memory is different than that of this particular one. So this will see in our next topic, that is comparing strings. So comparing strings, we generally don't use equal signs, because whenever we use this equal sign, it means that we are comparing the memory location of that particular variable that we have stored. So sometimes it might not return the value. I mean, you can, it might be same here, the value Java, but output might not be true for always. It sometimes it may return as false, because the storing, the location stored might be different than that of whatever the reference location here it is given, right? So how to overcome that? To overcome that, we are using dot equals. So instead of using this equal symbol, we are going to use equals, dot equals. So it will return, it will check for the just value whatever we have stored. It won't go for the memory location what we have stored. It will check for the string data value that we have stored inside a variable. Okay, so I will show you in our IDE, so we'll get to know how it is working. So as we already discussed, string data type, whatever the value is stored inside double quotes. So I'm writing here You can give space as well. You can write anything here. It takes input. So let's print out this one. Let's print out the value and see what we are getting. Okay, so the output is we are getting as async coding. Whatever we have given input, we are getting it output. So as I told you, this is a string is a class. That's why we are adding it in the non-primitive data type. It has some built-in methods inside that class. So let's see what are the built-in methods that we have. So how we can utilize that. So one of the main method that we always use is dot length, value dot length. So what this gives, it gives the length of the string that we have stored, correct? So another one is value dot character at this index. So this 0, instead of 0 you can give 2. So it gives character at index 2, correct? Let's run it and see what we are getting the value. So in general, what we should be getting 0, 1, 2. Answer should be y, correct? Let's see what we are getting as the answer. Yeah, as you can see, length is 12 and character at index 2 is y. So let's see what are other things are there. So whenever you write value dot, we'll get all the methods incorporated with the string. So you can choose anything from this from here, right? So we know, I got a length character at, let's see, to convert, we can convert this to uppercase as well, right? So let's give this method to uppercase. So can I convert it to lowercase as well? Yes, there is a method built-in function where the method will be converted to lowercase as well. So let's run that. So the output, as we can see, uppercase has converted all the letters inside the string to uppercase, and lowercase, yes, all there were two uppercase letters. It was converted that to, I mean, one uppercase letter. It has converted that to lowercase, right? So now let's see the equal operation that we have already saw. So let's write string value 1 is equal to async coding. We'll write same value and we'll see. So sout is a short form to write the system.out.println in IntelliJ. So instead of writing all the time system.out.println, we just write sout and enter. It will write it for you. So let's see. Now the value should return as true because memory reference value for the both of the thing is same only. So it will return value as true. Yeah, correct. We can see here. So I will write another string which stores same value as that of value 1 only, but output whatever we are getting will be different. I mean, it won't be same because whatever thing we are referencing here, it won't be equal to, so output will be false because memory reference value, whatever the reference value memory location is not same for value 1 and value 2. That's why we are getting false here. You can see here string value 2 is equal to new. We are, because we are assigning a new location memory for, I mean, we are creating an object for the string here. So it doesn't store the value in same memory location as that of value and value 1. The location will be different. So now it is false, but I want to get true because the value whatever stores inside the variable are same. So what I can do at this time, we go for dot equals. So value 1 dot equals value 2. So this will return for answer as true. Let's see whether we get the answer as true or false now. Yeah, so now the value we are getting true. So these are some of the basic operations that we are performing on strings. So there is a wide range of operations that we can perform on strings, that we can use to manipulate the string outcomes and the string input that you are giving inside the input, that also we can manipulate. So there are so many operations. So as of basic, these are the things we need to be aware of. So this is it about string data type. So let's meet in the next video where we talk about other non-primitive data types. Thank you for watching async coding.